Hi. I have a reservation.
Of course. Welcome to the Hudson Hotel. What's your name?
Sarah Williams.
Ah, yes, Miss Williams. You booked 2 nights, right?
Yes, that's right.
May I see your passport, please?
Sure.
Thank you. And could you please sign here?
Okay.
Perfect. Here is your room key. You are in room 814 on the 8th floor.
Thank you.
Enjoy your stay.
Excuse me, are you going up?
Oh, sorry. Yes, I am.
First time in New York?
Is it that obvious?
A little bit.
Who? Oh, come on.
Having trouble?
Yeah, I think the card doesn't work.
Maybe try faster.
Nope. Still broken. Hi. Sorry. My key card doesn't work.
Oh no, I'm sorry about that. Let me fix it. Okay, try this one.
Thank you.
Sometimes the cards stop working near phones.
Oh, I put it next to my phone.
That happens all the time.
Wow. This feels amazing.
Front desk. How may I help you?
Hi. What time is breakfast?
Breakfast starts at 6:30 and ends at 10.
Is it free?
Yes, it is included.
Nice. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Uh-oh. There are no towels. Hi. Sorry. There are no towels in my room.
I'm very sorry about that. We'll send some right away.
Thank you so much. Burger? Pizza? Pancakes at night? Whew.
Room service. How can I help you?
Hi. Can I order a cheeseburger and fries?
Of course. Anything to drink?
A cola, please.
Okay. That will arrive in about 20 minutes.
Great. Thank you.
Room service.
Wow. That smells so good.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. This city is crazy, but I love it. What? Is breakfast still open?
I'm sorry. Breakfast ended at 10 a.m.
No.
But there's coffee and muffins in the lobby.
I'll take it. Hi. I'd like to check out.
Of course. How was your stay?
Honestly, it was great. Even with a broken key card.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Here's your receipt.
Thank you for everything.
Have a safe trip.
Bye. Hotel life.